Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my Sonic 06 Let's Play. Last time we infiltrated Eggman's base, we found nothing but a chaos then. What do you think? Eggman will keep in his personal stash. And now with Metacritic giving us no answer of why we should kill Sonic, we are now heading to the station to kill Sonic. Yeah. That's what we did last episode. But before we head to the station, A, we have a side mission to do, and B, we got an upgrade to get. Now we have, Silver could actually pick up a bit of speed here, would actually get there 10 times faster. Anytime this week will be great, Silver. And that is the last upgrade for Silver. So our upgrade allows us to move at incredible high speeds at dashing at about 5 feet. Seriously, that's the upgrade. I'm not even joking. See, Blaze can easily catch up. Look, I'm just moving along. But Blaze is almost caught up. I don't even know what the point of this power-up is. I don't even use it. Alright, to get to the station we need... Alright, now we have a side mission, getting to the station. Now you may be wondering, well, how are we going to do this? Well, I'll tell you in a minute, once it loads. In order to complete this mission, we need to pull into our... in the Metal Gear Solid, completely... go past all the guards, into the station, easy S rank, no ifs, ands or buts. Pathetically easy S rank. You'll get an S rank of time bonus alone.
Perfect!
See? And we even got the money back, the rings back from just getting into... from buying our upgrade. Yeah, that's the S, yeah, that's what we had to do. That's the mission. Where's the pointer? We just need to pull into our in a Metal Gear Solid and go past everything. I don't know what happens, nor do I care. Let's just go into Radical Train. Okay, Radical Train, find Sonic. Now this level is complete. Now Silver's going through Terminal a little differently than Sonic. Because yeah, we're not trying to stop a train. We're just finding Sonic. I don't even know what did that for. Alright, we need to... Let's just get rid of all this. So yeah, getting through Radical Train is just like going through it with Sonic. Except you're not pressured to do anything. So yeah, you can... Oh, got these conveyor belts, of course. Got these platforms. There we go. That's something that they want you to do. Okay, what's next? I guess we got these enemies you can take out. Oh, we got an extra one up here. You don't really need to get it, but you can if you want. Alright, let's just grab all these so we can move forward. Jump onto this one. Blotch, take these somewhere else. And yes, just take out any fools that gets in our way. So I want to touch on something quickly.
There's no other way ahead. I guess I've got to break down the door. Ha!
Why does Mephiles not tell Silver of why he should kill Sonic? If you're gonna get someone to do it, you need to give them a reason. You can't just say, "Oh, you're gonna do this because I." Why am I not breaking down this door? There we go. Also, I found something. There you go. Bit of extra. Bring it. They just come bust out of thin air. Ugh. That worked. Oh, that one's gone. We're probably not gonna get an S ranks, but oh, here's a good point to mention actually. Grind rails. What the hell? Silver can't actually go on them. Yeah, Silver can't grind on rails. Yeah. Silver and Sonic? I mean, Shadow and Sonic can, but not Silver. Oh, come on, I did not see that. Yeah, we're actually coming to the end of Silver's level now. Look, I just went through that grind rail. So yeah, can destroy those enemies, you just get up. So yeah, you can grab this just to get this. Yeah, you can if you want. Doesn't really amount to anything. Anyway, we're just about near the end. Got a few more things to destroy here. You know, I'll just. If I do this? No, that doesn't work. Alright, noted. Oh, really? Why is it so hard? Yeah. There we go. And since there's one more enemy... Hey, how did I meant to see that? Let's take care of it. Alright, all we gotta do is go down here. Yeah, see, that's going. No mock speed section for Silver. Why isn't there one? Maybe they really like how long that level it will be anyway. And how do we end up here?
That was easy.
Okay, I got a B rank. Not bad. Actually, I don't care what I get now because I've gotten all the upgrades. So, yeah. Anyway, we got another scene to watch. Yes, of course I want to save. Hadouken!
You again. This time, there will be no more interruptions. The endless trigger must die. So how was your little walk? Elise! It's time to end this. Who? Mephiles! Why are you getting in my way? I'm Shadow the Hedgehog.
Alright, let's see how this battle turned out.
I won't hold back. Here I come.
Shadow the Hedgehog. Defeat Shadow. So this battle's incredibly different to the Sonic fight, of course, since Shadow, well, it is a little darker, and he uses his chaos powers. But I'm not gonna talk about Shadow until we get onto his part. So what you wanted to do, so careful, because Shadow can actually use his Chaos Spears. Oh, missed him. So see, he can do that, and Shadow also has a bit more range with his homing attack, so he's also able to attack you from... So he's also able to get you from quite a distance. Oh no, he's using chaos. He's using some chaos powers now. Whoa, see? Oh, there we go. Right, got him from that. So you want to use these barrels and just keep getting him from a no. See, we got him before he even... Well, careful, you can also do that, so I want to get too close to him. I can't see from that, so I would have to guess. He's almost down. Ha, so much for the ultimate life form, indeed.
Great!
I needed the back down too. We got the S-Rank?
Perfect!
Yeah, we got an S-Rank. Not bad. We don't even need it. And Silver has no more upgrades. One thing I should mention that the next level is aquatic base. So I won't be doing that in today's episode. I'll do that in the next episode.
Chaos control!
Beautiful.
You! Don't bother. With the Chaos Emerald's power, I control time and space. You can't break free. I won't give up. It all depends on me. Can't lose. Not when I'm so close. Chaos control! What? Huh? You induce chaos control. I won't let anyone get in my way. I'll change the past and save the world. Mephiles isn't trying to help you create a better future. He's trying to eliminate the past.
And I'm going to end the episode.
What? What are you talking about? To discover what happened, it seems we must see what took place 10 years ago. Follow me if you want
Alright guys, I'm going to end the episode here. If you enjoyed it, please show that like button, subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on future content, and hit that notification bell too. Next time we'll go to the past to see what happened 10 years ago. Thank you all for watching, have yourselves a great day, and take care. Bye.